يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تسألوا عن أشياء إن تبد لكم تسؤكم وإن تسألوا عنها حين ينزل القرآن تبد لكم عفى الله عنها والله غفور حليم.
Believers, do not ask of the things which, if made manifest to you, would vex you. For if you should ask about them while the Quran is being revealed, they will be made manifest to you. Allah has pardoned whatever happened in the past. He is all forgiving, all forbearing.
قد سألها قوم من قبلكم ثم أصبحوا بها كافرين.
Indeed, some people before you had asked such questions and in consequence fell into unbelief.
ما جعل الله من بحيرة ولا سائبة ولا وصيلة ولا حام ولكن الذين كفروا يفترون على الله الكذب وأكثرهم لا يعقلون.
Allah has neither appointed cattle consecrated to idols such as Bahira, Saiba, Wasila, nor Ham. But those who disbelieve forge lies against Allah, and of them most have no understanding, and therefore succumb to such superstitions.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ تَعَالَوْا إِلَى مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ وَإِلَى الرَّسُولِ قَالُوا حَسْبُنَا مَا وَجَدْنَا عَلَيْهِ آبَاءَنَا أَوَلَوْ كَانَ آبَاؤُهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ شَيْئًا وَلَا يَهْتَدُونَ.
When they are asked, "Come to what Allah has revealed, and come to the Messenger," they reply, "The way of our forefathers suffices us," while they continue to follow their forefathers, even though their forefathers might have known nothing and might have been on the wrong way.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا عليكم أنفسكم لا يضركم من ضل إذا اهتديتم إلى الله مرجعكم جميعا فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
Believers, take heed as regards your own selves. If you are rightly guided, the error of he who strays will not harm you. To Allah will all of you return, then He will let all of you know what you did.